Hello, I am so excited. I'm Diane B, and I just came out of a presentation by Paul Artale. It was so invigorating. It was on work life and home life balance. And he talked about his new book, and he just drew the audience in. He drew the audience into thinking about their lives. How do you want your life to be? How can you change your life? And I feel so happy that I had the opportunity to listen to this. And I'm thinking about it, and I'm going to work on those parts of my life that need to be changed. It brought that to attention. It's so important. Paul, you're an amazing presenter.